Maris Racal, kumpirmadong hiwalay na kay Rico Blanco, I'm so scared.
I'm so scared.
Emosyonal na humarap sa media ang kapamilya actress na si Maris Racal matapos nitong kumpirmahin na nagwakas na ang relasyon nila ng singer-composer na si Rico Blanco. Marami na raw kasi ang nagtatanong sa kanya tungkol sa tunay na estado ng kailang relasyon ngunit natatakot raw siyang aminin ang katotohanan. I'm so scared. I'm really scared. Ang dami kasing tanong about him and I'm here, smiling and nodding. I'm so scared because if I announce it, then it's real. Yeah, Rico and I really over. Saad ni Maris. Amin niya, fresh pa ang kanilang hiwalayan at nangyari lang ito ilang linggo pa lamang ang nakalilipas. It's been few weeks, loneliest and emptiest few weeks I ever experienced in my life, malungkot pang sabi ni Maris. Wala rin raw siyang maiksing sagot sa kung ano ang naging dahilan ng kanilang paghihiwalay. Well, wala akong short answer for it. Hindi ko rin siya malabas na isang statement lang kasi hindi ganoon kadali. Hindi ganoon kadali, kasi, sobrang complicated niya, ng situation. Rico and I, our universe was so beautiful. It was so full of love, laughter, and music, everything. Sa 5 years namin together, we are always on the same page, always on the same page. And I don't know what happened to that, say ni Maris. Ngunit matapos ang ilang taon ay tila hindi na-aligned ang gusto ng dalawa at aminado ang kapamilya star na dumadaan siya ngayon sa pagbabago kung saan nais niyang i-improve ang sarili. Maybe I turn to the next page. I saw a new perspective sa life. I had visions sa who I want to become, how I want to evolve. I'm so curious about the world. And the truth is, I am going through changes. And alam naman natin yun na changes either good or bad. What I hate about changes that it's inevitable. Hindi mo siya matatakasan and wala ka ng ibang gawin kundi you have to face it and confront it. Because, it's been in the back of my head, mahabang salaysay ni Maris. Naging bukas naman daw siya kay Rico hinggil sa kanyang pinagdaraanan sa buhay at pinag-usapan raw nila ito ng maayos. I told him my problems, my issues sa buhay. He took it like a man. It was a very difficult talk, because, I love him so much. I love him and he loves me but I have so many questions about my life and how will I go on sa buhay, kwento pa ni Maris. Sa kabila nito ay inamin naman niya na maayos silang naghiwalay ng singer-songwriter. That was so difficult, but it was a very polite separation. Up to the very end of a relationship, it is still full of love, full of understanding. Rico is one of a kind. If only I could skip through my 20s, you know. But I can't. I have to face it. I have to sit with my feelings and acknowledge my changes. Ani Maris.